Hi everyone. On this video I'm looking at an exponential functions question from page 427. Number 17 looked like this equation here. I wanted to let you all know that you saw from all the others that you have done also in this lesson that a lot of different things can happen when you're graphing these in terms of the way that these smooth curves look. So you saw that sometimes you'll see a growth happening, sometimes you'll see a decay happening. Sometimes you saw on the other problems that you did other than 17 that the whole let me find it real quick. Yeah, sometimes that whole smooth curve is flipped this way even, right? So look at all these different ways. This is just my answer key page here. Look at all the different ways these exponential functions can look. You know, they don't always start at a certain spot. I know the one I showed you, I think in a video prior to this one, it was right along, you know, the x-axis. You know, that does not have to happen. See number 17 right here. See how it does not just ride right along the x-axis. So on number 17, I did a lot bigger table than I needed to, but it was just said to help you again see the whole idea of exponential functions. So I started out just by doing pretty much up to here, but then I wanted you to really see how quickly these y values are going to grow just by going up one x value. Just how quickly these y's grow, and you'd see it even more drastically if I would have continued making my table. Okay, but yeah, if you plug in for this problem, if you plug in a negative x value in for the exponent here, you are gonna is actually still gonna come a negative y value. And if think about it, if you look at this, you're taking these values, which are all fractions, right? Like this is 1/2. Like for example, if I just look at this one, 2 to the negative first power is going to actually be 1/2. That's a half. A half minus 8, isn't that going to be a negative number? Right? You'll have negative 7.5 times a half. So yeah, these are going to be negatives, and that's okay. When you graph it, you're still going to end up seeing that smooth curve like all exponential functions have. Okay, so I took this data and then graphed it down here for you to see that. I ended up I went by 20s on the y-axis just so you could really see the impact in this smooth curve that was going to happen. Okay, so if I would have continued to the left and made more negative x values, it would have stayed right here and almost would have looked like a horizontal line going across here, but it would have been decreasing just ever so slightly, but you would have never gotten below -4 on the y-axis. Okay, again, there's my table if you want to see that again. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.